Hello lovelies, you want to see how I make this pan toast? Just watch this video to the end. So I added in my olive oil. So I'll add in the bread. I am using 4 slices of bread and I'll leave it there to toast. So I break in 1 egg. I sprinkled salt, pepper, and I added some curry. Have you ever tried curry in your egg? Try it and you'll like it. So now I'll give it a good whisk. I came to check on my bread. I'll flip it over so that the other side can toast as well. If you have not tried pan toast bread, try it and you'll really enjoy it. So you can make toast bread without a toaster. So here it's ready. I'll just take them out. All my returnees, thank you. My old and new, welcome. Thank you for always being here. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. So I add in the egg and I'll flip it over. Feel free to check other of my video out. You may find anyone that is helpful. Stay tuned, guys. Bear with me. I'm not uploading the way I used to. So once everything bounces back, I'll do that. Share this video, like and share. Subscribe if you have not. Follow for more amazing videos. So I did it and I will cover. And the outcome was so yummy. Try it and you will enjoy it. See you in my next one. Bye. Enjoy.